In this video, you will learn how to retrieve your previous ratings and reviews from past clients and closings. We will also go over how to transfer this onto your new agent website if you choose to do so. With an upgrade of systems and websites, it does come with a bit of a transition period. However, we are here to help you through this, and the video will break it down into the simplest steps. First, log in and then click Technology at the top menu. Then select CRM or Contacts. You can view all contacts from the left panel or type in individually each client's name who has given you a review, then click View for their contact page. Once you are on their contact, click the Testimonial dropdown and you will be able to view and copy the testimonial they have given. Initially, this fed directly to our old websites, but now I'm going to show you how to feed this into your new website. Now head over to your Lofty account. On the top menu, you'll select Website. Then when you see the preview of the website, hover your mouse over that and click Edit Website. This will take you directly over to the website editor. First, click the page icon on the top left corner, then select Reviews from the drop-down. Once you do this, scroll down and you'll see where you can double-click to edit or make changes. Once you double-click on this area, the Page column on the left side turns into a Reviews column. This is now where you can edit and customize all of the review settings within the website. Next, you will scroll down about halfway until you see Review Source. You can feed reviews from different resources, but for this we are going to select Default. Then click Add Reviews and Create New Review. Now we will be able to feed the information from the back office into this website. You'll type in the name of the user, the rating that was given, so 5 stars. Then you can go back over to the back office CRM and copy the review that was given, then paste that testimonial into the Lofty website editor. I do recommend also uploading an image, maybe if you got one at closing. This does make it look very nice on the website. Next, you will click OK. From this point, you can hover your mouse over the Reviews panel and scroll down further until you see Change Style. Once you click on the Change Style button, it actually gives you options of different customizations on how you would like the Reviews panel to appear on your website. I do recommend going through here and select different styles and see which you prefer most for your personal brand. This is actually a really great time to go through all of the customizations to get your website exactly how you want it and set it apart from the other agents. Lastly, don't forget to click the Publish button in the top right corner. This is essentially a save button, so it will update all of your changes onto the website. Keep in mind, you can always come back to this editor and constantly make updates and changes to your website as you need to. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. And keep in mind that we have upcoming trainings that are very important to attend when transitioning to this new system. We hope you are able to make editing fun, and thank you for watching!